everyone, this is Purushottam Vishwakarma, and today I am back with a form of letter of inquiry. What is a letter of inquiry? A letter of inquiry is written by an individual or organization to another individual. So it is basically written by any individual, any person, or by any organization. To whom? To any individual or any other organization. So it is written by individual to individual or organization, otherwise organization to any individual or organization. When they desire, why do they write such letters? Letter of inquiry. The situation when they desire to have some information or details about some products, services, any other information being offered by the later. Any other information which is being offered by the later. Who is in later? Later is the person or organization who is offering such services. It can also be written to a seller. Such letters can also be written to a seller, a shop owner who sells some goods. Such letters ask for information like catalog, brochure, quantity, price, quality, and availability of goods. In such questions, the writer asks such information like catalog, brochure, quantity, price, availability, quality of the services or goods, or about the terms of sale. What are the terms and conditions? All these things are asked in such kind of letters. And what are we talking about? We are talking about a letter of inquiry. The third, prospective employers. Suppose you are going to be hired by someone, a firm, any organization. That particular organization will try to gather information about you. How? By writing a letter of inquiry. Prospective employers and business organizations usually write inquiry letters to references. When you write job application, you have to mention references. So those employer write inquiry letter to those references to know more about you for obtaining desired information like family background, ability, skills, honesty, character, integrity, fitness for the job. Such information are required by the employer. What are informations they require? They want to know family background of the person whom they are going to hire, the person's ability, skills, honesty, how honest he is, character, what a kind of character he has, integrity, fitness for the job. Is he really fit for the job? Is he or she really fit for the job? And how do they know all these things? By writing a letter of inquiry to those references. Next, another important aspect in such letters, how to write an effective letter of inquiry. It is not very tough task. It's very easy to write a letter of inquiry. First thing, as it is implemented in all the formal letters, concise. Concise means brief and to the point. Letter must be written brief and to the point. Courteous. Your language must be courteous enough, polite enough towards that person whom you are writing a letter of inquiry. Positive attitude. You must have positive attitude, because if you write positively, you will get positive response. So you must be hopeful for getting positive response. Confident in tone. You must write in your letter confidently. Now the format of formal letter, as I have told you, formal letter format is the same for each and every kind of letter. We have already talked about letter to the editor and letter of complaint. The same format will be followed in the letter of inquiry. Sender's address, leave a line. I have told you. Then date, leave a line. Receiver's address, leave a line. Subject, it must not exceed 4 to 5 words. It must be catchy. Once again, leave a line. Then comes salutation, dear sir or madam, otherwise only sir. Body of letter. Body of letter must be written in at least 3 short paragraphs, and it must include every desired information in detail. First paragraph introduction, second detail information, and third one your suggestions, your inquiry. Then comes complimentary close. You can write thanking you, yours truly, yours sincerely, yours faithfully, and who you are, your name. As the question is on your screen, you are Surekha or Sunil, the in charge of the outbound trips of Hamid Public School, Jodhpur. You are planning a trip for students to Rishikesh during the summer vacations. Write a letter to the proprietor of the snow leopard camp seeking information about the availability of rooms, activities available, and other important details to enable you to plan the trip. So, this is the question. And now we'll write the answer. We'll see how to write the answer, how to write a letter of inquiry. First of all, sender's address. Hamid Public School. You are writing on behalf of Hamid Public School. You are not allowed to write your name. Hamid Public School, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Then leave a line. Date, as I have written, May 22, 2020. Leave a line once again. To whom you are writing? Receiver's address. The proprietor. Snow Leopard Camp, Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. It is given in your question. Now leave a line once again. Then subject. After writing subject, give colon. What is your subject of inquiry? Seeking information about the camp. So you are seeking information about the camp. As I have told you, it must not exceed 4 to 5 words. Your subject must be short and catchy, brief and catchy. Now we'll see the body of letter. How to write this kind of letter according to the question. The school is planning a trip to Rishikesh during the summer vacation, that is from 4th to 14th of June. Don't write it like that, 4th June to 14th June. You are not allowed to repeat it. From 4th June to 14th of June. We are a group of 20 students. You are writing on behalf of the school. We are a group of 20 students and 3 teachers. We require information about the following. Then you will prepare a list of the information needed. First, availability of rooms during the period mentioned above. If there is availability of rooms during the period of 4th to 14th June. Second one, room rates or tariff of the rooms. What are the tariffs of the rooms? Third one, activities available for the students. What are the activities available for the students? Sightseeing facilities, if there is such facility. Discounts on bulk booking, if they provide any discount on bulk booking, like you are booking. I would be grateful if you could send me the information at the earliest. Please do send me a brochure or any other information that you may have of the facilities offered by you. You will ask them if they have any brochure for their facilities. Kindly send the details at the earliest by email in order to enable us to finalize the trip. This will be the last paragraph. Kindly send the details at the earliest by email in order to enable us to finalize the trip. Then there will be closer. Yours sincerely, after leaving a line, yours sincerely in the same way. Once again, I would like to remind you, yours will be written just like this, no apostrophe. Sincerely, faithfully, truly must start with a small letter. Just below it, who you are. In the question, you are Surekha or Sunil, in charge outbound trips. So you have to mention your designation as well under your name.